Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today we're going to review this Grim Takedown playset by Spin Master. Now this is the big playset of the year, so this will retail at $50, so $49.99 in the United States. Of course, you can order yours right now on Amazon. So I received this one from Spin Master directly, but they are on Amazon right now. Here's a quick look at the package. It's huge. It's probably the biggest thing they've released so far. So you can see here's the packaging. You can see the blaster, of course, the giant Grim figure here. Some renderings of the truck. So you can see there, it even includes a Rottweiler with the ears down. Interesting gravedigger because this is not the one that you receive. This is actually chrome, and you can see it even has tail lights, which is pretty silly. You can see here on the side, of course, the exclusive truck that comes with it, and the graveyard scene, of course, Grim Takedown set. There's some images of it. You pretty much smash the skull and it falls backwards, and you can see here it does make noises inside the box. The eyes do light up. So let's open this up and check it out. It's huge, so I got to do it outside my studio, but it does include batteries, and you can check it out right now. So I have now assembled the Grim Takedown set, and like I said before, it is a giant set. This thing is very tall, and Grim actually expands out. So when you knock him down, I believe he falls. Yeah, so he collapses down. He's much taller than that. So if you see here, I lifted him up and expanded him out. His arms do set into place, and his mouth, you also have to click that back into place once you crash into him. So when you get your Grim, you're gonna wanna turn it on. So you're gonna turn on the actual character here by clicking on the switch here in the back. So you're gonna turn it on, and it will make a bunch of different sounds. So it's gonna make a bunch of those kinds of sounds. Now I'm gonna turn mine off for the sake of me being sane in this video because it's super loud and I'm trying to talk over it. But you can see here it's got a huge height. It's just really tall. You got some tombstones also back there, and also some ramps will connect here. I believe this ramp connects right here in the front, so that connects there, and you're basically aiming for this chest piece here so you can get Grim taken down. So it also comes with one exclusive gravedigger truck, and you can see here it's got purple tires, green rims, and a green roll cage with a gray chassis. Very cool exclusive. I love the colors. I love how it matches the playset perfectly. So basically you're gonna wanna aim your gravedigger at this thing. So on the lower setting here, you can see the ramp has actual settings. 3 settings, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 4 settings. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, it aims up in each setting. It goes a little higher. So let's test it out at the lowest setting. So you can see it knock down Grim at the lower setting. So something in here triggers it right here. This little piece triggers him to fall down 1 level. So now let's try it at level 2. Here we go again. And it drops it down another level. And then if you try it again at the final level, which I think, let's try it at the 3rd level. So let's see. Okay, so that one didn't make it. So now we're gonna try it at the 4th level. And that almost got it. Now it didn't open its mouth up, which it's supposed to do. So let me hit it a little harder. And there we go. So there's the Grim. You can see it fell apart. The arms came up, the thing fell down. And like I said before, it starts really tall. So if you expand it all the way up, close the mouth, lift the arms back up to their original, or lift them, push them down. And then if you do this again, you can see here, if we do this one more time, and we'll just start at the highest setting. So it knocks it down 1, then it knocks it down again, and it knocks it down again, and the arms kind of shield its face, and you hit it again. Oh, I actually didn't get it that time. So it takes a minute here, and I don't want to damage my truck, but if eventually it'll, there we go. So got it. So there we go. So you can see there, the mouth opens up and it falls apart. So that's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure it makes a sound when it falls apart. Let me turn it back. The different sounds it makes, basically makes a bunch of different bone sounds. So if we press it, so it makes those different sounds. And basically, I figured out that if you hit the jaw, it actually opens up the mouth. So you got to hit the jaw. That's for the 4th setting. So it's going to launch at the 4th setting at the mouth. This piece and then the other ribs will make it fall gradually down. So that's the Grim Takedown set. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Thank you to Spin Master for allowing me to do this video on their behalf. Lots of cool stuff with this playset. Obviously, lots of different creativity and different things for the kids to play with. So this is a great set for those younger audiences that want to obviously take down the Grim Gravedigger. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. This is Reiner Monster Jam OCD signing out.